What's the meaning of currently? Currently. Currently.
Currently. Currently. Currently means at the present time or moment. It refers to the period of time between the past and the future when something is happening or exists. In this sense, currently is a temporal adverb that indicates the time frame of an action, event, or situation. It implies that the information being conveyed may change in the future, based on the circumstances and context of the situation. Through the use of currently, one can communicate the status quo for a project, task, or event without implying finality or permanence.